Welcome to Practice Better. In this video, we will discuss how to book sessions for other members of your team on the team plan. There are a few different ways you can accomplish this. First, go to My Practice, My Services. Using the toggle to see the services conducted by your colleagues, select the colleague you wish to book for. Select Book a Client beside their session. This will allow you to book a session with a client for them. Another way to create a booking for a colleague, go to My Schedule, My Bookings, click on the red Fast Action button in the bottom right-hand corner and select Book a One-on-One Session. You will see a pop-up prompting you to select a practitioner on your team to book a session for. Next, you will be prompted to select the client for the session and complete the booking details. Lastly, if you go to My Schedule, My Calendar, you have two ways to book for a colleague here. First, you can use the toggle in the bottom left-hand corner and select your team member. Then, select the red Fast Action button and select Book a Session to complete the booking process. Or you can select the team view and click on your colleague's calendar to book a session for them. If you need to transfer a session between colleagues, you can do so by clicking on the session on the calendar. Here's an example. Once you click on the session, select Transfer. This will allow you to update who will be conducting the session with the client. You can also do this within your session details by going to My Schedule, My Bookings, click on the session, and select Update Details. In the top right-hand corner, you can transfer who will be conducting the session with the client. This concludes this video on booking on behalf of your team members. Please consult the Help Center for more information and resources.